Friends, in chapter number 12 electricity, after taking the information of equivalent resistance of series and parallel, now we are going through the in-text question. In-text question, here I can write about page numbers 213, here 213, so you can find them easily and write full information in your fair book. Let's go through the textual exercise question which is given in the page number 213. The question says us that draw a schematic diagram of a circuit consisting of a battery of 3 cells of 2 volt each, a 5 ohm resistor, an 8 ohm resistor and a 12 ohm resistor and a plug key, all connected in series. Questions are quite long, so I can write in some words. You have to write full questions and then write the answer so you can remember them for long time. Let's draw the diagram. All them are connected in series. So we connect them in series. 3 cells of 2 volt. So 1, 2, 3. Here I can join the wire of plug key, capital K, complete the circuit. Here I can draw the path of electric current. Here we write plus, minus, 2 volt, 2 volt, 2 volt. 3 resistors can be given, 5, 8 and 12. Now the circuit will be completed. Go through next question. The question says us that redraw the circuit of question 39 or question given. It is given in the digest 39. So redraw the circuit of given question, upper question, putting in an ammeter to measure the current through the resistors and a voltmeter to measure the potential difference across the 12 ohm resistor. What would be the readings in the ammeter and the voltmeter? First we draw the circuit again. Which is given in this question. First we draw the again circuit, the question already in page number 213. Same, 2 cells, 3 cells, wire, plug key, 3 resistors, 5, 8, 12. But we put voltmeter in between 12 resistor. We know always voltmeter can be connected in parallel combination. Information given us is taken in the 12 ohm, so we take it 12. plus minus. Capital K, each have 2 volt electric current. We draw the diagram again. Redraw the diagram. So we draw the diagram again. Let's calculate it. According to our information, we have 3 resistors. Suppose R1 is equal to 5, R2 is equal to 8, and R3 is equal to 12. All connected in series. We find in series resistance, equivalent resistance. We simply calculate all the sum of 3 resistance in series. So here, according to our circuit, R1, R2 and R3 are connected in series combination. So equivalent resistance of R1, R2 and R3 is Rs. So Rs is equal to 5 plus 8 plus 12 is equal to 25. So Rs is equal to 25 ohm. Let's do another calculation. Now we have the resistance and we have the voltage also. Here you can see 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6 volts. So we find the way in. According to our question, we find the voltmeter measurement and voltmeter measurement and ammeter measurement. For find out the ammeter's measurement, we find the electric current, and to find the voltmeter's measurement, we find voltage. So first we find the current of ammeter. So I is equal to V upon R. According to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. Now we make the subject of I. So I is equal to V upon R. Here we have V is equal to 6. 2 plus 2 plus 2. And R which is find out is 25. So 6 upon 25 when we divide 6 by 25, it will be given 0.74. So here we can get I is equal to 0.4 ampere. So here we find 24. I is equal to 0.24 ampere. But according to our question, we find the voltage between 12 ohms resistance. So in 12 ohm resistance, the voltage will be capital V is according to V is equal to IR, capital V is equal to I into R. I 0.24, R which is given is 12. Here we can't take RS. So don't mistake, otherwise you will lose the marks. So here we find the voltage, but in 12 ohm. So 0.24 into 12 is equal to 2.88 volt. So measurement of ammeter is 0.24 and voltmeter is 2.88. Now go through in text question. Another in between some questions are given. You have to write the merits of series combination and merits of parallel combination. You have to read the demerits of series combination and parallel combination, but you have to write the characteristics of series combination and parallel combination, which will be given in homework. Some one or two question is also given in text question. When we study exercise, in exercise there will be also given two questions which is related to in text question. When we study exercise question and answer, we will take it and we study it. Now we can go through the in text question. We can't skip any question according to board exam. We can't skip any in text question, but when we study it in theory, otherwise it is study in exercise, so we don't rewrite again and again, we learn it by heart. Page number 216, we have to given two resistance 10 ohm and 10 raised to 6 ohm, and we find the equivalent resistance. Here we can given two types of resistance. There will be 1 and 10 raised to 6, 1 10 raised to 3 and 10 raised to 6, and we find the equivalent resistance when the following are connected in parallel. Here we have the combination already given, which is in parallel. So we find the equivalent resistance of them. Here 1 ohm. So equivalent resistance, suppose one is R1 and second is R2. So the equivalent resistance Rp is equal to 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 10 raised to 6. Here we calculate 10 raised to 6 plus 1 upon 10 raised to 6 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we find the value of 1 upon Rp. So Rp is equal to it is nearest to 1. So Rp is equal to 1 ohm. The second 1 ohm 10 raised to 3 and 10 raised to 6. You have to write first approximately, not given which is R1, which is R2, which is R3. So we suppose R1 is 1, R2 is 10 raised to 3 and R3 is 10 raised to 6. We find the equivalent resistors. In question they already are connected in parallel combination. So we find the resistance of them. 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 10 raised to 3 plus 1 upon 10 raised to 6. Now we calculate it. 10 raised to 6 plus 10 raised to 3 plus 1 upon 10 raised to 6. Plus 3 plus 1 upon. Now we find the values of. Now we calculate it. This is the 1 upon Rp. So Rp is equal to 10 raised to 6, 1001001. It is nearest to 1. So Rp is equal to 1 ohm. So we find both the equivalent resistance of both examples. Now go through next question, which is also related in page number 216. An electric lamp of 100 ohm, a toaster of resistance, electric lamp 100 ohm, toaster of resistance 50 ohm, and water filter of resistance 500 ohm are connected in parallel to a 220 volt source. What is the resistance of an electric iron connected to the same source that takes as much current as all three appliances, and what is the current through it? So easy example, we have given the all resistance, electric lamp, toaster and water filter. Suppose the resistance of electric lamp is R1, toaster R2 and water filter R3. In information they all are connected in parallel, so we calculate it easily. R1, R2 and R3 are connected in parallel combination. So 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. R1 is 100 plus R2 is 50 plus 1 upon 500. Let's calculate it. So to make 500, multiply with 5. Here we multiply with 10 plus 1 upon 500. 5 plus 10, 15 plus 1 is equal to 16 upon 500. So Rp is equal to 500 upon 16. When we divide 500 with 16, we will get 31.25. Here we get Rp. In information we already given voltage V is equal to 220 volt. So easy. So we find the electric current. I is equal to V upon R. V is equal to 220. We find the Rp. 31.25 is equal to 2. When we divide the 220 upon 30.5, it will be 7.04. So according to our question, we find the electric current, which is 7.04. So all three appliances are connected in parallel and voltage will be 220. The current will be 7.04 in text examples.